Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can change your iPhone passcode from 6 to 4 digits. To change your passcode, open your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your current passcode, then scroll down and tap Change passcode. Re-enter your passcode, then tap Passcode options, and if you want to change it to 4-digit code, then select the 4-digit numeric code. Enter your new passcode, verify your new passcode, That's how you can change your iPhone passcode from 6 to 4 digits. Thank you for watching.